Let's go, baby.
Torrey's Peak, Kelso Ridge, June 29th. I'm just a little excited. Just a little bit. God, I'm so happy right now.
Don't sure to kill yourself if you're excited.
Yeah, he does.
Hey, so is he an idiot? Or he's quite competent?
This out. Squeaking. Pretty gnarly. I don't want to kick a rock at you. This is the part where I kicked rocks down last time. But yeah, that's a really neat idea. The idea of returning them full circle.
They'll probably remember that for their life.
Oh yeah. Man, this is the fun part. Oh my gosh. Hiking in sucks, but here's another cool rock. I don't want this to end. I want this to last all day.
Decided at this point that I would really sketch it out at this last time.
This is
my first class 3.
Yeah, it's a doozy.
But it's actually a lot of fun though, is the thing. I was just nervous because I wasn't accustomed to climbing an exposure like that.
This is the scariest part, but it's fun. What did you say?
Stem.
Oh, stem? Yeah. Woo! You're good. Whenever you're ready, I want to get you coming up too. That's where oh, you're good. Nice. Hell yeah, bro. Makes me happy that there's other people in Kelso and not just a parade of people on the main trail. Ooh, I'm cold now. That's sweat.
Yeah.
Where's our buddy at? I wonder.
He's up over the top of that first ridge, that first hump.
He is zooming. Dude, we're there. We're so close. Can't believe how fast this is. People, man, that's hilarious.
That's funny. He's got like a whole riff about it.
I would love to just have that guy around to roast people like that.
He's funny.
I think my battery might even make it to the knife edge and over.
Nice.
48%.
Yeah, when I looked at it this morning, it was at 28%.
Oh.
So I was like, oh crap.
Did you see if you got the cool part?
It wouldn't swipe up for some reason. I think it's got the screen protector on it.
Oh, okay.
But if I did, cool. If not,
I
just kill myself.
I can email you footage too, so that you have it.
I want it now.
How American of you. How 21st century of you. I shouldn't say American because that's not true.
I don't identify as American.
It's not just Americans.
Yeah, not anymore. Literally Mexican American. We had a whole war about it. And then we just like threw all that away.
Oh boy. Whew. I am feeling the lack of oxygen. What's up, little buddy? He's not low, we're high. It's all about perspective, bro. He crashes into a mountain. Okay, he's low.
I hope he's not high. Look, I'm as tall as the mountains, bro.
Aw, F me. Damn it. This is the part where you don't want to lose your balance. This is the part where you're glad you brought your boots.
It's pretty cut out.
Yeah. I think my least favorite thing about stepping in the snow is that my shoes are wet after that. And I hate wet shoes. It's the scariest part. Stick to the rock, I guess. What?
Avoid ankle breakers.
Yeah. True that. Yeah, thank goodness for other hikers, I guess, who gave me all the footsteps. This is definitely the ice axe part for that guy that did it a month ago. That's what I was doing. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do this in like later on in the day when that stuff's...
Yeah, it's gonna be sketchy.
Yeah.
It's already kind of soft.
Yeah, we're fortunate to have been here already and gotten it over with. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure this is where we scramble up. Oh yeah, yep. Hell yeah. All right, going for it. That's dope. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Are you good from here to lead, or do you want me to go back in front? Okay. Last time I did this, that gray rock right there, I had to sit on that for like 20 minutes and build up the courage.
It's daunting. That's for sure.
It's at that point it's safer. It's safer to do
Just to go.
just to keep going than to ever, like, if you were to turn around, that's worse. If you want an easier route, we can go down, but it's up to you.
The trail's right here.
The more fun way is that way, probably.
I think this is more solid.
Probably. This rock is not going anywhere for years.
Granite.
Yeah.
This rock is so good, people put it in their picky. Alright, dude. You did it.
Hard part's over.
We're almost halfway.
Hey, give me some.
Oh shoot, am I still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, where
Am I? Is mine beeping or blinking?
Yeah.
Cool.
You got it.
My 10% got it. Now I'm just gonna go till it dies.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yes! Fuck yeah. That it literally was just, I mean, luckily the footsteps were really solid, but you could feel that with the sun being out, it could be scary for some people.
It'll be sketchy in like an hour or so.
Yeah. Either way, this is such a fun run, I think.
It's not suited.
Not yet. Yeah, we think so.
Pretty nice.
Since the clouds aren't too bad. I'm sure you saw there's supposed to be storms at like 12.